Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2020 Ram 1500 Sport. It comes equipped with the 5.7 liter Hemi V8 engine paired to an 8-speed automatic transmission. Other amenities included such as premium heated bucket seats, as well as an RFX tonneau cover, spray-on bed liner, all-terrain tires, and so much more. Come check it out. Alright, moving on to the interior, we're going to have this all-black interior with paneling, couple of storage at the bottom here. Your speakers right next to the power locks, mirrors, and windows with the chrome accents. You also get these chrome tubular running boards, these leather and vinyl heated bucket seats, super comfortable. Left side you'll have your vents, and as well as your lighting control and power adjustable pedals. Left side will be your voice recognition and odometer cluster control, and the right side being your cruise. Now for the odometer, you can access all of your vehicle information, including your vehicle info, including gauges, trip information, as well as you can access trailer tow, audio, messages, and screen setup there. So just going to be push to start. You're going to have the dial shifter here with your 2 and 4 wheel, and onto the infotainment. So it's the Uconnect. You're going to have your compass as well as your climate controls, mirror dimmer, audio settings, heated steering wheel, and all that fun stuff. You got the physical buttons on the bottom with the dual zone climate controls with the integrated brake controller, your tow mode, as well as 4 USB ports, and of course the center console here with lots of extra storage. So you got the cup holders, but you can fold it back here. You got an AC wall port. You pull it forward, lift it up. You're gonna have the double, and that's gonna give you, your trigonometric ratios, as well as your Pythagorean theorem, as well as your fraction to decimal chart, and you got lots of extra storage down below. Passenger side, same finish, manually adjustable though. Chrome accents, you can have that sport badging there, some storage at the top with the speakers, and then here you can access your reading lamps, sunglass case holder, and your power rear sliding window. So you're gonna have these 20-inch aluminum wheels on Falcon Wild Peak all-terrain tires. You're gonna have the paint match mirror caps, as well as the keyless entry door handles. You're gonna have this RFX truck accessories tonneau cover with the dual black tip exhausts, trailer hitch and fifth wheel just under. You're gonna have the black badging here, and with the spray-on bed liner and bed tie downs, as well as lamps in the back. It's a pretty spacious rear. Moving on to the rear interior, it's a double cab, so you're gonna have the shorter doors. You hop in. Pretty good legroom for a double cab. You're gonna have storage behind the passenger driver's side with rear cup holders, rear ventilation and storage. Cup holder and armrest right in the middle, as well as seats fold up for more storage down below. You're gonna have the lamps up top and the handles on the side. All right, well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet as we checked out this 2020 Ram 1500 Sport, equipped with the 5.7 liter Hemi V8 engine, as well as heated bucket seats, trailer tow with brake controller, all-terrain tires, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe, and we hope to see you at Chevy Farm very soon.